rock you till morning.
Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If today is your first time here, my name is Mercy. I'm happy that you are here. So today's video is going to be like a quick one. I just want to show you guys, like share with you this wonderful and amazing product that I'll be using to regrow my edges. Like guys, after I gave birth to my son, after 2 months, I started noticing that I'm losing some of my edges, like my hairlines. So when I did some research, I saw this beautiful lady here on YouTube, I think Mercy, yeah, and she talked about these 2 products. Guys, I tried it out and it has been amazing. Okay, it has been amazing, and it's not something that you can just start today. At the end of the day, maybe after 2 weeks, start seeing results. This is a gradual process, and you need to be very consistent. Okay, so right now let me go ahead and share with you the 2 wonderful products and how I miss it, as well as how I use it. Okay, so most of the time I use it like 3 times in a week, but when I started seeing results, I do it like once in a week. Mixture that I did last time got finished, so right now I'm going to miss another one. I said, okay, let me just share it with you guys. Maybe someone somewhere might need this, because I know that we women, we battle with a lot of things. Okay, especially the hairline. If you lose your hairline, like, it's so frustrating, honestly. So that's why I decided to share it with you guys, so that every one of you can benefit from it. Okay, all you need, I have a bowl here with lid. Okay, and then I have hair fertilizer, and then this is the castor oil. Okay, so this is only the product that we'll be working with. Okay, so I will go ahead right now and put some in the bowl. Like most of the time I mix like half of the hair fertilizer. Okay, it depends. So I think this one here is enough. I will go ahead and put some of the Jamaica castor oil. Like guys, I don't really have the measurement. Okay, it depends. Like now, if I'm mixing it, if I see that it's kind of thick, I'll go ahead and pour some. Okay, I'll go ahead right now and mix it with this spoon. As you can see, it's still a little bit thick, so I'll go ahead and pour more of the castor oil. Continue mixing until both of them mix like very well. So this is the consistency like I'm looking for. Like, it's very easy, guys. You can go ahead and put more of the other oil, like olive oil, coconut oil, depends, but this is only 2 products I'm using and I'm seeing amazing results. I'm going to go ahead right now and show you guys how I normally apply it on my edges. Okay, I'll just take a little like this, and then I'll go ahead and apply it on my edges, guys, like this. So after this, I'll go ahead and massage it like really good, like very well. Massaging our scalp, helps to promote hair growth as well. So guys, I'm done massaging my edges, and that is it. Okay, look at my edges. It's really growing like very well, guys. I'm so in love with this product, honestly. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and then subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.